Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know.
I, Bryant, take you, Chad, to be my husband. When you need a friend, I will be your best friend. When you need help, I will be there for support. When you need me, I will support you. When you want to try something new, I will encourage you. As you've done the same for me, I will appreciate you, respect and honor you. But if you don't, I will forgive you, which I know you wouldn't. You changed my life so much ever since you came into it. Your family treated me like family, and for that, I'm grateful. I love you and will continue to love you until the day I die. You're truly a great human being and much better person than I am, which makes me love you each and more every day. Let this ring symbolize my honor and my eternal love for you.
I, Chad, take you, Bryant, to be my husband. I promise to always be your biggest support system and partner in crime. I promise to create and support a family with you in a home filled with laughter, joy, patience, understanding, and unconditional love. I vow not to just grow old together, but to grow together. I will love you faithfully through the difficult and easy. What may come, I will always be by your side, believing that love never dies. As I have given you my hand to hold, so I give you my life to keep. Let this ring symbolize my eternal love for you.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. That out. My hand is
Exactly what I'm looking for. And as we go, I'll keep running till I can't no more. You'll always be the one I want at midnight. You'll always still my